Biggest Love by Emma Dodd. Before you came, I did not know just how big love could be. It's wider than the ocean. It's deeper than the sea. Love's taller than the mountains. It stretches way up high. Further than the furthest star, way beyond the sky. Love goes on and on and on. It fills your heart and mind. Love's brighter than the brightest light. It makes the whole world shine. Love never, ever changes, no matter what life brings. Love lifts you up when you are down. It helps you find your wings. Love is all around you every single day. And even when life gets hard, love never goes away. And you, my loves, have taught me what I know to be true. There is nothing bigger than the love I feel for you.